For most of us, the kitchen is the heart of the home, a place that is welcoming, functional, and attractive. And if you're considering upgrading it, well, listen up, because we have a design suggestion for you.
Well, our kitchen transformation has been a dream come true. Just to see our old, boring kitchen come to life with lots of counter space and a ton of storage space. It's just been beautifully updated. We just absolutely love it.
How did they do it? With laminate.
Laminate is very durable. Most all schools and hospitals utilize it since it is long-lasting, and you don't have to worry about anything penetrating into the surface.
You can get basically any type of design you want for your home and other applications with these laminates.
But what is laminate made out of exactly?
They think when they hear laminate that it's plastic. It's not plastic. It's actually papers that have been compressed to form a hard surface. So they have different materials that they can put in there to get the different glosses and finish, and also antimicrobials, which is good, so you don't have to worry about contaminants or any of that. We fabricate here on location, so when you order it, it's made here, made in the USA.
And there's nothing outdated about it. Today's laminate countertops are beautiful and stylish.
It's not the old laminate that you had in the 80s. It's new laminate, very durable, sleek looking, and they should really take a look into it.
The easiest way to care for it with your typical household cleaners, you can use like Formula 409, Windex, Simple Green. It's not recommended to use hard abrasives just because it's going to leave a little bit of a layer on there, so it won't show its true beauty. So your best thing is just to use your basic household cleaners.
I just use my favorite multi-purpose spray cleaner and then dry them with a soft cloth, and they always look their best.
It's also really functional, versatile, and a great value.
You can use it for on the walls, beams, columns, and multiple surfaces.
I mean, they came up with ideas that we didn't even think of. And I would like to add on the laminate countertops versus the quartz with the savings, we are able to do additional things. He suggested wall cabinets, the facing in front of where we sit at. We didn't even think about facing that. He came up with that. So with the savings by using laminate, we were able to get that as well. Now, when we have our family over, we have a big extended family, and they're over all the time, especially during holidays. It seems like before she was behind a wall. And so we had a group in our living room and a group in the kitchen, but now that the wall's down, we have a beautiful laminate countertop with plenty of seating space and everything. Everybody can sit there and just enjoy each other. So, and especially just when it's just her and I at the house, I can actually sit back on the couch, relax, talk to my wife while she cooks my favorite meal.
So laminate offers you the availability to get something that looks just as beautiful at a fraction of the cost.
We just offer good service. We're here for our customers, and we make sure they're happy when they leave here.
We are just so grateful to Dan and Michelle to just give us their expertise to help our dream become a reality. We love it. It's great. And we can't wait to use them for our laundry room and our bathrooms.
Yeah.
For more information about Orange County Countertops, visit occtopshop.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.